No need to scroll through a 3 to 5 minute video, we're going to show you how to replace your AirTag battery in less than 1 minute. You want to make sure you pick up the right size battery replacement. You want the CR2032. First, hold the AirTag with the steel side facing you. Using your thumbs, press down on the battery cover from either side, then rotate the cover counterclockwise until it stops. Lift the cover off and remove the old battery. Simply turn and tap on the back to release. Next, insert the new battery ensuring the positive side is facing up. You'll notice 3 slots around the edge here. Line up the 3 tabs on the battery cover with the 3 slots. Once lined up, place your thumbs on the sides again and press down. Then rotate the cover clockwise until it stops. Now the cover is locked back in place. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.